So today I was trying to find an old comment on a video that I had watched, but I couldn't remember the video on which I commented on. And so I thought I would try and find my comment history. However, when I tried to using my Android phone, it was really difficult. And I tried looking for videos to show me how to use an Android to look at your comment history. Because sometimes even YouTube, it won't give you notifications. You'll go back to an old video and you'll see your comment that you made, and it has hundreds of likes and 20 replies, and you didn't get a notification on any of it. So I wanted to show you how to do that from your Android phone, step by step, really easy. So first you want to go to your library. You'll see down in the bottom, right there where I'm circling, it says library. You're going to want to click that. And then you're going to go to history right here. Now you'll see that it just shows you a bunch of videos and that you watched in the past, and that doesn't really help because you don't know which video, especially if it was like 2 months ago. You can't really remember what video you commented and what you commented on each video. So what you're going to do is go to the three little bars here on the side. You'll notice right here, and that history controls pops up. You're going to want to click that and go down to where it says manage all activity right there, and you're going to want to click that, and a new page is going to pop up. You just want to go to the internet. Now this is the really tricky part because the way that YouTube tells you to do this, it doesn't work out, and I'm going to show you a faster way. So what you're going to want to do is click the three little buttons on the side there. All right, page is going to pop up, and you can tell when you go to all this, it doesn't really show you any of your comments. You can go to details, but it just doesn't work out very well. So anyway, I clicked the back button, so it took me back to the previous page, but just bear with me. So anyway, you're going to want to click the three little buttons here. Once it loads. There we go. And it's going to say other Google activity. And that's what you're going to want to click on, all right? So it's going to have activity controls. You're going to want to scroll down. I'll go through this real slow so I don't overwhelm you. Yeah, it says web activity, device information, voice audio activity, YouTube watch history, YouTube search history, location history. Just keep on going, and eventually you're going to come down to where it says comments on YouTube videos and comments on YouTube community posts. Now, don't go to this top one here. Go down to the second one, and just ignore that first one. And we're going to be focusing on this one right here. So, what a lot of people do, they will see view community posts, and they'll click on it. Wait for it to load. And it'll take them right back to the same darn thing, and then it's just a continuous loop. We're at history controls, and so you can't really see your comments at all. It took me a while to figure out why. Now this is one thing that YouTube needs to update, but so I'm going to go back to the web page. Now instead of clicking on the view community posts, we're going to click the learn more, which is right there. And we're going to click on that. And right here it says comment history. Now this is what you're going to want to click on right there, is a comment history. You can see Android is clicked over here. And you're going to want to basically ignore everything else that they're saying on this page. Just click comment history right there. Now here's the tricky part. What the problem is on Android, when you come to this page, oh, you know what? That's because where I was going to say with this was, you'll notice request desktop site. That's where I was going with this. If that page doesn't pop up, what I want you to do is click Request Desktop Site. So you'll want to go up there and just click the 3 buttons, and right there is where you're going to want to click on. Other than that, most Android phones are going to be just fine with this. So I'm going to blur out some of my comments, but you can see here, comments, you click on comments. Wait for it to load, but yeah, it's already up here, so we can go, literally this goes, excuse the slashes on the screen. I went to developer options so I could circle things to try and make it easier. But you can see how it goes all the way down to a week, and then it goes to a few months. And yeah, I don't really want to show all my comment history, but so there you guys go. I hope that really helps. So I'll go through it one more time real fast for you guys. Just so you don't have to go back all through this whole entire thing again. I hate it when I have to go back and forth and back and forth. So we're going to go to Library down at the very bottom right. History. The 3 buttons on the side. History Controls. Manage all activity. Three little buttons up here on the right again. Drop down menu, I guess some people could call it. Other Google activity. Scroll down until you see comments on YouTube community post. This one here. Sorry about the circles, because it's a touch screen, so when I circle it moves the screen as well. But you're going to want to click on Learn More. This thing right here. Learn More. Do not click on View Community Posts. That's just going to send you in an endless loop. Comment History. Make sure you're clicked on the Android. And there's your comment history. And you can just, now let's say you want to scroll all the way down, you click a little more. This is just a little extra tip. And you know, like, the phrase of what you said. You don't know the exact post and everything that you said, but you do have like, you know, the words that, some words that you used in it. So you're going to want to go all the way down. You know, you're just loading. You don't know how far it is. You click the 3 little buttons on the top right. Find on page. And so let's say I want to say trash. I don't know. Look at that. So yeah, so you can find different things that you do by the search history that way. Alright, well, this concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.